Working in the glass industry brought us to a lot of different places like Chicago, Corning, New York, and then going on. Eventually, Hanan Made in Minneapolis, opportunity was presented, and there was kind of like that little light in the dark.
Bringing us here to Minnesota kind of had a feeling of home.
One more all the way in.
And when that opportunity presented itself, we had to act on it. I'm Josh. I'm a glassmaker.
I'm Kat. I'm also a glass artist.
We moved to Minneapolis 2 years ago, and we now work here at Hanan Made, a hand-blown, high-end glass lighting company.
The reason I love glass is that there's just so many different possibilities of how to work with it. We just have people that really want to put out work that they care about. It is fragile, but that preciousness of it, that's what makes it, I think, so special.
Once you see that glow, we kind of have a saying, you get bit by the glass bug. And once you're tooling the glass and physically blowing something, it's a pretty remarkable thing. Moving to Minnesota opened up a lot of doors for us. We got to purchase a house last year. We got to not work weekends, which we never have in our entire life, in our jobs. Kind of created a ton of stability for us, allowing more time with our dogs. One of the reasons why we purchased our house, we were close to it. Go kayaking, go biking. It kind of gave us more time to focus on work and us at the same time.
There's a lot of excitement for the day.
Go through the river trail to the Greenway Trail to the whole loop, explore the city and find little hidden gems.
Being able to go to a park that's like really close by, within your neighborhood. Just this like overall sense of community that is very different than a lot of places that we've been. Not only are you getting out to be in like nature, but you have such a thriving city life too.
You have your arts, your food here is amazing. And there's always something to do or find a green space. It feels big, but also feels cozy at the same time.
Minneapolis is very arts-driven and focused, and like we love going to the Mia. It was something that I didn't realize that was so prevalent, and seeing like the different art studios. There's also just endless opportunities of like what you could do. I think also what's really exciting about being in Minneapolis is just the cultural diversity too. My indigenous heritage is Easter Band Cherokee Indians. For like my people, it's about your connection to the land, and like we do try making smarter choices.
Some people use burlap. You can use wood chips.
Today, since it's a little gloomier, they might not be as active. On the roof, we recently have put up a beehive. There are solar panels on the roof, and that's what helps power the electricity here in the building.
It's actually like a natural gum. You can actually chew on that stuff. It's super antioxidant.
We're starting with 1 hive. Next year we'll go to 2 hives, 3 hives, 4 hives, and eventually get to the point where we don't have to purchase beeswax anymore.
Another main goal is to eventually get wax to be able to bring that back into the hot shop so we can use that.
That's the beeswax, yep. Stop. Let's chop right back in there, Dave.
Kat and I have been together 9 years. We're going to celebrate our 1-year wedding anniversary next month. I don't think we'd be anywhere near where we are today of owning a house, being married, and planning the next 5 years of our life here in Minnesota.
I think, coming here to this area, I think that's just a lot of values that, Minnesotans have. They want, good quality of life. If that's, something that we always kind of wanted, we've kind of finally found that. I'm just excited for the future.
I hate to say it, but like the Midwest is the best. This opportunity here in Minneapolis for us to kind of lay down roots. It was the best move we've ever made.